EPA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for December 16th, 2024. It is Monday. We're back to work, and Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania sponsors the Monday video forecast. Christmas is a special time of year full of joy, love, and of course, delicious food. From gingerbread cookies to grand family feasts, food brings us all together. Stop on by and visit Kinsley ShopRite. They have all of your holiday favorites, from elegant prime rib, the freshest seafood, the sweetest desserts, and holiday wines. Their catering department offers an extensive holiday menu for family get-togethers or holiday parties. So eat, drink, and be merry. They are Kinsley ShopRite in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud longtime sponsors of the Monday video forecast. Today we have a showery start in our eastern areas. This is going to be rain showers, though. Wouldn't be surprised to see maybe a few flakes left over here in northeast PA. There was, of course, some snow that occurred from late afternoon through the entirety of the evening. And I'm sitting here just about 5 miles north of Lehigh Valley International Airport, and we are still snow here, and I'm recording this video about midnight. So it did hold on as advertised, and is quickly going to be changing over to rain in the wee hours of the morning before it ends here at this particular location. But we have in the morning some showers are going to be in our eastern areas across far eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And then we have a system coming at us right on its heels that's going to have a warm front with it initially. And there's going to be a warm surge with this because here is the area low pressure that's driving it. There's a warm front that's situated out here like this. Cold front back here like that. Once we get into this wedge right here, this warm air wedge in between these two fronts, we're going to have a surge of warmth. This is going to be very temporary, but it will allow temperatures on Tuesday to reach the middle to upper 50s for highs. Actually, for most areas anyway. Far northern areas will still be about 50, as you see above me. 40 to 50 is the spread today. Northwestern areas will be in the lower end of those temperatures, and then far southeast, closer to the Philadelphia region, is near 50 today and near 60. It will be on Tuesday. But this is synoptically driven warmth, which means once this goes away, once that front moves through, the temperatures drop, okay? So this front's actually going to clear by late morning on Tuesday, so the temperatures should start to drop off after that. We'll get a little bit breezy as some cold air advection comes in, but it's not going to be, this is not a big cold air push behind this. We're going to be cooler in the wake of that, but still slightly above average here on Wednesday. Until we get to Thursday, we'll get back down to near average, and then we just keep going down and down and down and down from there for the remainder of the week. So let's get over the NAM High Res Future Simulated Radar. I'm going to start this off at 8 o'clock this morning. You can see some showers again across far eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey. This is going to kind of linger throughout the morning, and then in the afternoon, they'll just be found over New Jersey, it looks like. We'll get a break in between here where it's just cloudy in between. And there's nothing, and here's these additional showers with the warm front, and then that's going to be quickly followed by the cold front here later to Monday night. So this is going to be done by the time we get to Tuesday morning, but the front is going to actually itself is going to move through later in the morning on Tuesday. So you'll still get that warm air surge in between. But this isn't a lot of rain, but it is rain 100%. There's no chance of any mixed precipitation or snow with this because it's going to be just too warm, okay? So let's go back to the maps here. And again, I mentioned that it's going to get progressively colder throughout the week. We're going to have another system coming at us here Wednesday night. And this is going to be, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. Increasing clouds on Wednesday, starting off maybe with a little bit of sun early in the morning, but then clouds increase, and then these showers work in during the afternoon. This may end as snow across far northern Pennsylvania. We'll have to wait and see how that transpires over the next couple of days. Right now, this is kind of like a if thing. It's in the back end here. Usually, most of it's going to be rain for those areas, but you're going to have some north of I-80, the opportunity for at least an end to snow here. So we'll keep a close eye on that as this low pressure moves by. This one has cold air rushing in behind it. So on Thursday, is a transition day where we're back to near to slightly below average, but intervals of clouds and sun are expected on Thursday. And then we have another system coming at us here on Friday. Now, ahead of this, way out in front of it here, there is an area low pressure that was modeled to, be closer to the coast here, maybe be captured by this northern stream energy and sucking it back into the coast and giving you a big snow event here. Remember those snow maps last week? Well, that's not going to happen, and we're pretty confident that's not going to happen now because the associated low pressure that should be near the coast is all the way out here. It's way out there. It's very progressive. So this is just going to be a northern stream system diving through our region. It could touch off a few snow showers Friday night overnight as this moves through. and that's shown here by the European model. And then Saturday here will return to partly cloudy skies after any morning clouds exit, but it's going to be quite cold this weekend, even colder on Sunday. So the Penn State game here against SMU, of course, is this Saturday at noon, and a lot of people would message me about that. What's the weather going to be like? Does not look like we're dealing with anything in terms of precipitation except for maybe a passing flurry, maybe a snow shower, but I think it's generally partly cloudy otherwise. Maybe some lake effect involved with that would get you something like that. That's possible, but I think it's a very low chance. So the big deal is it's going to be cold, okay? And a lot of you have messaged me and said we're hoping that it's cold on Saturday the 21st. We're looking well ahead to this because the SMU, of course, if you're not familiar with them, it's Southern Methodist University. They are a Division I school out of Dallas, Texas, so they're not really accustomed to this kind of weather. That's the whole idea. At least that's what was being sold to me. But once we get past that system, in the wake of that, this system as it moves through, it's going to be really cold here on Sunday with Sunday and Monday. It looks like highs are knocking out of the 20s for most areas. It's going to be brutally cold both Sunday and Monday, and then that starts to lift out. Still in the 30s here on next Tuesday, but GFS is sharing the same idea. It's very progressive with this system here. It's way out here, so this, and it doesn't really have much. There's not really much here with this northern stream system here on the GFS. So we're allowing it for the possibility for some snow showers on Friday night, but that's not etched in stone either. We'll just continue to follow that throughout the week, but it doesn't look like a big deal either way. No big storm. We're not dealing with that most likely as we head into the final weekend before Christmas. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 16th, 2024. Have a great Monday.